Hi, I'm Dave Brown. I'm going to show you how to replace the pad on a Mini Platen. As you can see, this pad is very, very charred. It should have been replaced long ago. I'm going to move the press out of my way, lift the Platen off the press. Going to use a Phillips screwdriver to remove these 4 screws. I'm going to spray some alcohol on the blue cloth. I'm going to scrub all this residue off of here. Put the pad on here, line up the 4 holes. I'm going to check the pressure, put this in, lock it down, try to pull it out. That pressure's good.